Assalamu alaikum rahmatullah. I hope you guys doing well. Today on the menu is Moroccan chicken tagine. It is one of my favorites, and yeah, it's a really beautiful recipe. Make sure you definitely give it a try and share this recipe with your friends and family as well. Thank you. For the chicken tagine, these are the ingredients that you will need. I'm using here half kg of chicken, 1 chopped onion, 8 to 9 dried plums, some sweet golden raisins, 9 to 10 green olives, some fresh coriander, 3 to 4 crushed garlic, 1 green chilli. You will need some oil, 1 tomato, some sugar, some cinnamon powder, and for the spices I'm using here salt, coriander powder, turmeric, paprika powder, black pepper, ginger powder, cumin, red chili powder. Finally, you will need this Tagine pot. You can get this from Morocco if you go to Morocco, or you can get this from your local shop. Anyways, if you don't have this, you can just cook it in a normal pot. First of all, I'm just gonna add the oil in this pot here. When the oil is heated up, you will add all the onions in. Give them like 3 to 4 minutes until they are like soft. The onions are like soft. Now I'm just gonna add the garlic and let it cook for another 2 minutes. Now I'm gonna add the chicken. There you go, and just mix it thoroughly. Now I'm gonna add all the spices in, just on the top like this. There you go. Give it a nice mix. I'm just gonna let it cook on like low heat, if you can see it, on low heat for like 30 minutes, okay? So here you go, I'm just gonna cover the tagine here. While the tagine is cooking, get yourself a small pan and add half glass of water, and in that add sugar and cinnamon powder, okay? And let it cook. Guys, when the water starts simmering, you will add the dried plums and golden raisins in, okay? Here you go. Just let it cook. Turn off the heat when there is like a small kind of sauce and the raisins and the dried plums are ready. I'm just gonna let it cook for another 5 minutes on a high heat until the water gets dried. Just mix it. These tomatoes. The tagine is ready. Now I'm just gonna add the dried plums and the raisins. Here you go. Dried plums, place them like this here. Here are the raisins. The remaining sauce from the raisins and the dried plums just go on top here, just like this. Wow, looks beautiful. Alright guys, here we have the Moroccan tagine. Alhamdulillah, looks beautiful. Make sure you definitely try it and share this recipe with your friends and your family. Thank you for your support. Jazakallah khair. Alright guys, I will taste a few notes, so here we go. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Don't worry, I will use my right hand. Taste the chicken first. Guys, look at this nice chicken. Wow, nice and juicy. Oh, wow, perfect. The taste is amazing. Wow, look at this plum. Wow, beautiful. So Ramadan is nearly over. I hope you guys have been fasting and not been eating all day and night. You know. Thank you for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it. Make sure you subscribe, make sure you like. Take care. Assalamu alaikum rahmatullah.